Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Black Ops 7 DirectX error on Gamepass for PC.
Fix 1. Update/reinstall graphics drivers. Step 1. Download and run DDU, display driver uninstaller, to completely remove current GPU drivers. Step 2. Reboot your PC into normal mode. Step 3. Install the latest drivers from your GPU manufacturer, NVIDIA/AMD. Step 4. Restart the PC and launch the game. Fix 2. Verify/repair game files. Step 1. Open the Xbox Gamepass app. Go to My Library, find Black Ops 7. Step 2. Click on the game, select Manage, choose Verify/repair. Step 3. Wait for the process to complete, then launch the game. Fix 3. Disable overlays and background apps. Step 1. Close all overlay apps. Discord, GeForce Experience, MSI Afterburner, Xbox Game Bar. Step 2. Disable background apps that may use GPU resources. Step 3. Launch the game. Fix 4. Switch DirectX version/lower graphics settings. Step 1. In game settings, switch from DirectX 12 to DirectX 11, if available. Step 2. Reduce graphics settings, textures, ray tracing, shadows, and resolution scale. Step 3. Use windowed or borderless mode instead of full screen. Step 4. Apply settings and restart the game.